Good morning, friends. In this video, we are going to discuss diagonal scales. Last video, we discussed about plane scale. So, the difference between plane scale and diagonal scale is in plane scale, we can read up to two dimensions. Two dimension means two measurements, either meters and centimeters, decimeters and hectometers, like that. At a time, two measurements we can read. And here we can go for up to three dimensions. Three dimensions means meters, centimeters, decimeters, like that. At a time, three dimensions we can read. That is the difference. And the scale factor and length of the scale calculated, this everything is same. So length of the scale is equal to scale factor into maximum length to be measured. The formula and everything is same. So once again I will explain here. So listen carefully. Now we will start. Here you can see in this question, here suppose first if you see the question, a map is to draw with refractive factor. Refractive factor, or we can call it is scale factor. Refractive factor 40 mm, 1:40. So refractive factor is given 1:40. And construct a scale to read meters, decimeters and centimeters. So to read in meters, decimeters and centimeters. Okay. So at a time we can go for meters, decimeters and centimeters. So whatever the scale we are drawing, that scale we must read in meters, decimeters and centimeters. And centimeters, and long enough to measure up to 6 meters. So long enough measure up to, the maximum length of the scale is given 6 meters. 6 meters. And show a distance on it is marked 3.84 meters. So this is we have to show. So this is given data. So we know that in examination only this chapter, only scale chapter is there. We can write the length of the scale calculating, that we can write in examination also. So you don't forget it. All the other units, there is no chance to write anything in the drawing sheet except to given data. But in this chapter we can go for this calculation. So here first we calculate length of the scale. First we calculate length of the scale. So length of the scale is equal to LOS. Length of the scale is equal to scale factor or refractive factor. We can call it is scale factor or refractive factor into maximum length to be measured. Maximum length to be measured. Same equation, maximum length to be measured. Okay. So this is what is scale factor here? So 1:40, that we can write 1/40 into, and measure up to 6 meters. So 6 meters. So this we can write 1/40 into 6 into meters. You can convert into mm. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm. So you must familiar with all the units. Already I told that the units are very, very important here. Okay. So if you know units, easily we can go for solving the problem. So go for this 0, 0 and 6 into 100, 600 by 4. 600 by 4, that is around 125 mm. So the length of the scale is 125 mm. So with this length, we can take the length of the scale. So first take the length of the scale 125 mm. 125 mm. And here the height. So in the plane scale is 10 mm, and here the height is 50 mm. This also we discussed in the last video. So 50 mm height, and take parallel line. So this length is equal to AB. Assume that this is AB length is equal to 125 mm. 125 mm AB length is equal to, and height is equal to 50 mm. Okay, height is equal to 50 mm. And how many parts we divide this? How many parts we have to divide? So already previous also I told same thing. The formula is there. One small notation is there. So this is 3.84. It is nearer to 4. It is nearer to 4. Plus add one part. This is 5 equal number of parts we have to go for. Suppose this is 4.384 is there nearer to 5. So 5 plus 1, 6 parts we have to go for 6 parts. So here 5 parts we have to go. So divide this into equal number of 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So divide this 5 equal number of parts. 5 equal number of parts. And so start 0 from here. Start 0 from here. And give numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Give numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now these are all 1 unit is the meters. These are all 1 unit is the meters. So here we can write meters. Meters. These are all 1 unit is meter. So this is 1 meter, 2 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Like that all the units are 1 meter. And first unit divide into equal number of 10 parts. Why? Because this is decimeters. Decimeters. In question asked that meters, decimeters and centimeters. So first we go for meters, and this 1 meter we are dividing into equal number of 10 parts. Why? Because 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters. That's say this 1 unit, 1 meter, assume that it is 1 meter. So this 1 unit we are dividing into equal number of 10 parts. So decimeter. So this is meters and this 1 unit is decimeter. Why? Because we are dividing into 10 equal number of parts. 0, 5 and this is 10. Okay. So go for subdivisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? So now same number, same notations you give to the top also. Divide this 10 notations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5, this is 0, this is 10. So here, this is, in this it is 10th part. Means join this 0 to 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here 0, in this is the 10th part. Why? Because meters, 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters. So this 0 joined to 1, 1 joined to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, this is 10, okay. So 2 joins, 1 joins to 2, 2 joins to 3, 3 joins to 4, 4 is 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9 and 9th part is goes to 10th part. Okay. So jump 1 part. 0 here, 0 is there. So 0 joins to 1, 1 joins to 2. So the meaning of it is this 1 part divided into 10 equal number of parts. 10th part means is a 0.1. So next fraction is 0.1. And next is another. So first unit meter is over and decimeter is over. And next is centimeter is there. So this we can go for on this vertical line. So this is total is 50 mm. So this 4 divided into equal number of 10 parts. So directly we can go for 10, 10, 10, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now draw all the horizontal lines here. Horizontal parallel lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So like that draw all the horizontal parallel lines. So give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, and 9 and 10. Okay. Give the 10 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, So this is the construction. So now this is meters, decimeters, and this is centimeters. Centimeters. So write neatly in the examination. This is centimeters, this is decimeters, and this is meters. Okay. Now you can mark directly. What he is asking actually? Tell me. So he is a mark 3.84. 3 is the meters. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 meters. This is directly you can take 3 meters. 3 meters. Okay. 3 meters. Now 0.8. So the 10th part of this. Why? Because fraction after fraction means 10th part. Meters it is decimeters. So this is decimeters, it is meters, decimeters, and this is centimeters. So 0.8 means here 8. So 1 is here 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8th part is this is 8th line. And where the 8th line is coinciding at 4, 4 means this is a centimeter. Centimeter 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So see the 4th line and from here 8th line. 4th line, 8th line means this is the point where these 2 points are coinciding. So just to mark that point, okay, and from here draw the vertical line, okay. Now this is the length is, this length is equal to, we can call it is 3.84 meters. So this is here asking, okay, is it clear? So first see that once again I will explain. So first in examination write clearly or calculate the length of the scale. It is simple formula, refractive factor into maximum length to be measured. So after completion of this, so you will get 125 mm if you calculate this. And the construction is simple. So this is diagonal scale. So height only, height changes, and up to 3 dimensions we can read. So this is meter, centimeter, and decimeters. So height is 50 we are taking, and length we will get 125. So 125 50, you make a rectangular box and divide into equal number of parts. That is depends upon what he is asking. So mark the point 3.84, 4.84, 5. Like that he will ask. So 3.84 is nearly 4 plus 1 you add it. It's simple formula whether in plane scale or diagonal scale. This is constant. So 4.1, 4 plus 1, 5 equal number of parts. So go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So leave the first portion and start 0 from here and 1, 2, 3, 4 like that you give it. And divide the first portion into equal number of 10 parts. Why we are going equal number of 10 parts? Why? Because 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters and 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. That's why we went for 10 here and 10 equal number of parts here. Okay. So join 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 like that join and mark the point. So 3 point, here 8 and here 4. These two lines are coinciding at this point and project this point and mark here. So this is regarding diagonal scale. So up to now what we discussed all the videos, so up to this first unit we completed. Okay, first unit we completed. And next unit is next. So these up to this is all are different methods. Different methods. This is regarding first unit. And coming for second unit and third and fourth, whatever the syllabus is, the entire remaining 4 units, it is depends all are on projection. So next video, I will give the clear information about projections. So I am going to make 3 videos on basics of projections. If you understand these 3 videos basics of projections, you can do any type of problem, either projection of points, projection of lines, projection of solids, sections of solids, development of surfaces. Like there are so many topics are there, but all the topics are depends upon projection only. So next video, if you understand next coming 3 videos, then it is very easy to solve all the problems. Okay. So my friends, you must and should follow the remaining coming 3 videos. It is very important. Okay. So I feel that you understand all the problems, or otherwise you see the previous videos. So from the first units, every time he is asking 1 and a half to 2 questions in the main examination. So try for this, or if you want anything suggestions, you please comment in the form of comment you send me. Okay, and please like the video and share the video and subscribe it. So thank you for your support. So please subscribe this my channel, and any suggestions are there, so drop me in the mail or in the form of comment. So thank you. Thanks once again.